Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cole back again with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before we go ahead and jump into this video. It's a quick intro today. It's pretty much going to show you how to go from having your wig on a wig stand to your head. So I'm pretty much showing you how to install your wig once the lace has been cut and once you have been wearing it after that fresh first install pretty much. Alright, now stick around to learn more and let me know what else you would like from me. Anyways, stick around and yeah, see you in there. So we're starting off with hair that's already been curled. It's been sitting like this. So it's easier to curl your hair in a mannequin because then you have control of whatever you do next. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead with my Care styling wax and just place it in the edges of the wig, just in the front here a little bit. Because what you want to do is bring all the hair back so that the hair is away from your face when you do install it in your head. And then what we're going to do is grab our hot comb and just press the edges of the wig. So exactly where you place the product is where you're going to press the hot comb. Because like you want it to be away from your face, but you don't want it to disrupt the style that you already have going on, right? Right, shawty. I'm also adding a little bit of mousse. This is from Lotta Body. Also at the edges, same purpose. You're just trying to prep your hairline just a tiny bit. And then we go right ahead with our hot comb in those areas just to press it once again. So it'll be easier for you to apply because all the hair is currently away from the face. And now, if you flip this over, you can see that I still have a little bit of makeup that was from the last time when I tinted this hair. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and reapply the the foundation that I used. Just because at the very top here, when you remove your wig, the makeup does come off, so you want it to blend as well as possible. And I'm using this Ruby Kisses. It's like a cream to powder foundation. So I'm mainly focusing on the edges here where the makeup would have rubbed off. But it's okay because you're also going to be applying it at the very top once you've laid the wig on top of your head. So I make sure to have my cap on that is closest to my skin color, which is like the darker one. I'm gonna grab the Got to Be spray and just spray the edges of my hair here so that it's just away from everything. You don't really need to do this, but you know, you just want your hair to be away from your wig, you know. There. I don't have much baby hair, so it doesn't really affect me. I don't do the bald cap method. I'm not like a fan of it. I feel like it takes way too long for me to get ready and I don't have the time for that. So I usually just put on my cap like this and then we're good to go. So now that I have it all done. I have my wig here, it's tinted, it's looking nice. My my elastic band is here. I'm just gonna go ahead and install this. Boom. And now we figure out where you want to lay it. So this here, this wig is already like customized to my head, so it fits ear to ear and everything. So I have it all like this, and then we're gonna use our Got To Be spray, start gluing down the middle, or securing the middle, gluing down. We're gonna secure the middle, and then we're gonna go from each side to side. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Oops, I just put a little bit first. And then we use our blow dryer in a cool setting. Sides lift up easily, so I like to put it under and over. So I'll start off with the under really quick, dry it, and then put some over. So now I'm gonna grab my sideburn, put the rest of the hair behind, and now try to glue that last piece down. Try to take the same foundation and try to blend this as much as we can. Last step, you are going to wrap the edges around. So I'm gonna tie this up for now, like so, and then wrap this up. And you want to leave this for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then see how well the lace is laid from there. And then you can always add foundation if it's not as blended as we want it to be and all that. Boom. How are we looking? Not too shabby, not too shabby. I'm so close here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make my parting, just the middle part. I'm gonna grab a bit of alcohol, put it on this rag here, and just wipe off the excess makeup and glue on my skin. You just want to tap. You don't want to rub too hard, because then you're gonna remove or undo all of your like hard work. And just keep in mind, guys, that this is a transparent lace, so that's why it picks up on any color that you put on the on the lace. And also I did not bleach the knot of this frontal. So like, I'm pretty sure if I had bleached it, it would be even more seamless, but I did not do that. This is very beginner friendly. I uploaded the video of how I installed it straight out the package without like co-washing or nothing, without bleaching, and that's like maybe 2-3 videos down. I'm gonna put the link down below for you guys, or somewhere here or here in the video, and you guys can refer to that to see how it looked when I first got it and how I installed it then, because the way I installed it when I first got it versus the way I installed it when I've already cut the lace and I've had it is different, obviously. But I figured this is more of a good tutorial, because a lot of people, once you have your hair, your wig done or whatnot after the first time, then it's just a game of how you're gonna keep applying it. But if I just show you how I applied it and now how I like reapply it, in a sense, it's kind of like pointless, you know, for all my beginners out there. So now I'm just gonna brush out these waves and style it a little bit and then come back here. Ooh, if you want a tutorial on how I curled this hair, let me know. Brushing and fussing for this video. I'm done. This is how it looks. Thank you so much for chilling with me. I hope you learned a thing or two. Let me know down below if you have any question or if you have any suggestion on what video I should do next. Feel free to do so. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with all your friends. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.